Today I've got one of our members here, Liz, and we're going to be running through the dual kettlebell deadlift in this week's technique video. So this exercise transfers really well into everyday life. If you think about like picking up the shopping bags, anything from the ground, it has a really good transfer into that. So when you're building that strength, it's going to make everyday life easier, which is what your training should be essentially about. So Liz is going to come down to the bottom of the deadlift position. She's going to hinge over and then chin in. She's going to set her lats and then she's going to drive through the floor, standing nice and tall, and then on the way down, pushing her hips back, coming down, beautiful, and then go again. Yep, so come down to the bottom, shoulder blades on, chin in, drive through the floor, good, and then coming down, nice, and relax. So 3 points of performance here that you want to think about is when you're setting up at the bottom, really turning on your shoulder blades so that you're supporting through that upper back because you want the chest to be coming up first, driving through the heels to create that power or to create the momentum to stand up, and on the way back down, you really want to think about hips back and keeping your chest out so that you maintain that nice neutral spine through the hip hinge. I hope you've enjoyed this video this week, and any questions, please comment below. Otherwise, see you soon.